Hey, Assalamualaikum everybody, hope you are well. In this video, we are going to study the second chapter of the business, which is the classification of business. And the contents of this chapter are the stages of the economic activity. We are going to study in this chapter the economic sectors, the deindustrialization, and at last the mixed economy. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, the stages of the economic activity. Economic activity can be classified into three main steps, which are the industries. Basically, first of all, the primary industry, then secondary industry, and at last the tertiary industry. Primary industry, these are the industries which extract raw materials directly from the earth or sea. And you can say the example of the primary sectors are mining, quarrying, and forestry वगैरह. So let's talk about next the secondary industry. Secondary industry, these are the industries and these industries process and manufacture the products from the raw materials. Basically, the secondary industry is the industry which take the raw material from the primary industry and then make a semi-finished or the finished products, and then this gave to the tertiary industry. Then these products are sent to the tertiary sectors of the industry. Tertiary sector of the industry, these are the industries which provide a service. Basically, they have a direct contact with the customers and they provide a face-to-face service. Okay, the examples, let's look towards the examples. First of all, the primary, फिशिंग, फार्मिंग, माइनिंग, इसके अंदर आप फॉरेस्ट्री भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. एंड देन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, कार फैक्ट्री, फ्लोर मिल. Service industry, banking, retail shops, restaurant. In this, you can also add the tourism industry, which is the basic and the main. Okay, now let's talk about what is the importance of the economic sector. The economies sectors are compared by the two major things, which are the percentage of the country, टोटल नंबर्स ऑफ द वर्कर्स एम्प्लॉयड इन से मतलब कि कितने लोग प्राइमरी में एम्प्लॉयड हुए हैं, कितने लोग सेकेंडरी सेक्टर में और कितने लोग टर्शियरी सेक्टर में. आज हमारी कंट्री के अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा लोग प्राइमरी सेक्टर में इंडल्ज क्यों हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ये पाकिस्तान एग्रो वेस्ट कंट्री है. और सेकेंड के टर्शियरी इंडस्ट्री रिक्वायर्ड स्किल एंड द मैनी लेबर विच इज़ इन पाकिस्तान इज दे आर नॉट स्किल्ड. The second point is the value of the goods and services which are produced in the primary, tertiary and secondary sector. These are the compared and these are importance. Then let's come towards the deindustrialization. Okay, so let's come towards the deindustrialization. Deindustrialization occurs when there is decline in the importance of the secondary मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री इन द कंट्री. इट मीन्स डैट जब भी इसके अंदर सेकेंडरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री में डिक्लाइन आता है तो ये डीजनरेशन एग्रो रहती है. ज़ाहिर सी बातें होनी भी चाहिए, क्योंकि देखिए मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री के अंदर आपकी आती है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के अंदर आप लोग प्रोडक्ट्स वगैरह बनाते हैं. जब उनके अंदर डिक्लाइन आएगी तब डी इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन हो ही जाएगी. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमीज. मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमीज हैव बोथ पब्लिक एंड प्राइवेट सेक्टर. लेट्स लुक अपॉन देम. व्हाट आर दीज सेक्टर, पब्लिक एंड प्राइवेट? Public sector is owned by the government, whereas private is not owned by the government. It is basically owned by the private individuals. In public sector, government jobs to protect the environment, helps reduce inequality in society, not affected by recession. Private provides public goods, whereas it compared to the private sector, profit incentives to be efficient, entrepreneurs creates job where needed, less bureaucracy and scope of corruption. गवर्नमेंट में करप्शन बहुत है. डज नॉट रिक्वायर टैक्सेस टू फंड. एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट these similarities. Similarities are pricing policies, entrance fees, recreation services fees, parking, accommodation, equipment rental, merchandise, food fees, permits. Public sector infrastructure, monitoring of impact, evaluation of quality, information, allocation of access, whereas compared to private sector, which is food, informative media. Basically, these are the sectors which are under the private sector and these are sectors which are under the public sector. Okay, होप दिस जहाँ तक आप सबको क्लियर हो चुका है कि सेकंड चैप्टर हमारा क्या है. and we have reached the end of our presentation. So hope you like it. Thank you so much for seeing it. And if you want to further see or learn the lessons of regarding the business or accounting, so please subscribe to my channel, like it, and don't forget to share it. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.